Now to a high-profile THC-impaired driving case involving the death of a child. Defense lawyers have now filed written arguments asking the Saskatchewan Court of Appeal to uphold the judge's decision to stay proceedings. CTV's Stacey Hein has those details.
In September 2021, 9-year-old Bailey Maurice was at a Saskatoon crosswalk when she was hit and killed by Taylor Kennedy's truck. At the scene, Kennedy told officers she used marijuana and magic mushrooms the day before. She was charged with impaired driving exceeding the prescribed blood drug concentration of THC, causing death. But last December, Judge Jane Wooten stayed the charge, ruling Kennedy was not tried within a reasonable time. Matters at Canadian provincial courts must reach a conclusion by 18 months. Wooten ruled Kennedy's matter took about 6 months too long. The Crown is appealing, attributing part of the delay to COVID backlogs and citing data showing Saskatoon provincial court cases were delayed by about 4 months in 2022. Prosecutors also say a late charter issue from the defense made the case more complex. Kennedy's lawyers argue the judge made the right call. They cite the judge's ruling that the case was not complex with one charge, one accused, and one incident. They note Wooten said the Crown didn't need formal notice to recognize charter issues were likely to be central to the trial. They also say Wooten was best placed to decide if the pandemic caused delays, and her choice not to assume so without sufficient evidence was not a legal error.
Kennedy's lawyers are requesting a 5-judge panel to hear the appeal instead of the standard 3 as they challenge part of a previous Court of Appeal decision. Now, the appeal hearing is set for November 5th in Regina, but that date may change pending the panel size decision. Stacey Hein, CTV News, Saskatoon.